Let's get right to it. Number 1. Waterproof dry bag roll top from Earthpack. Keeps gear dry for kayaking, beach, rafting, boating, and comes with a waterproof phone case. Number 2. CNR mesh beach bag, 42L family size. Waterproof pocket for vacations, pools, beach, and shopping trips. Number 3. Waterfly crossbody sling backpack. Use for travel, hiking, chest bag, day pack. Use on excursions. Number 4. Travel document organizer, family passport holder, wallet portable, and foldable case for cards, boarding pass, ID, money, and tickets. Like, comment, and share this video if you haven't already done so. And look out for our upcoming MSC cruise adventure. Number 5. Bagsmart toiletry bag. With hanging hook, water resistant, family size, travel organizer for accessories, full size and mini toiletries. Number 6. Top bag. 5 set packing cubes, lightweight luggage organizer bags, with laundry and shoe bags. Number 7. Jarify set. 20-pack rubber ducks, with tags for cruise ship, 8 pieces waterproof cruise luggage tags, and 4 pieces retractable lanyards for cruise card. Number 8. Towel Crabber Store. Towel bands 6-pack, for beach, pool, and cruise chairs, extra durable, and no snapping. Great alternative to beach towel clips. Number 9. Neosmuk magnetic hooks, pack of 10, 27 pounds plus, heavy-duty earth magnets, magnetic hangers for cruise cabin walls. Number 10. Homery 12-pack flameless, LED light candles, battery-operated to 100+ hours, fake electric candles, can be used on cruise ships. Number 11. Poop Pori before you go toilet spray in a travel size. Cruise bathrooms are not well ventilated. Number 12. Belief sun protection shirts, UPF 50+, long sleeve, rash guard, quick, dry, and lightweight. Great for tropical weather cruises. Number 13. Tide liquid travel sink packets, 3 count, for hand washing clothes in a sink. Number 14. Blue Lizard sport mineral-based sunscreen lotion, SPF 50+. Many cruise locations require that you use reef-safe sunscreen. Number 15. Dramamine motion sickness relief for kids, for a rough sea day or a first-time cruiser. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Look out for our upcoming MSC cruise adventure. Until next time, happy travels.